Wow, so nice excavator.
Oh no! Aha!
And bulldozer. What is in this process? Let's open it.
Yeah!
Oh, nothing in this. What are you doing, Kudo? He's making something from carton. He's bending.
Hello!
And decorating is so nice. Picture, snack, shop green. Aha, I get it. This is time vending machine. Brilliant! A lot of animals want to buy something from this special machine.
Yeah!
Okay.
Bye!
Does this man want to buy something too?
Aha!
My turn?
Hey!
You need money, man.
Oh! Oh!
No money.
He doesn't have money. Oh no, what is he doing?
Oh no!
Don't do that.
Oh no!
Police is here. Hurry up, couldn't need help.
No money.
The man is so hungry, but he doesn't money. Okay. The Thai police have buy some snack for him and remind him to do that again. Thank you so much, police.
Okay.
Bye bye.